Hello friends, if you have a favorite website and if you want to open it, if you always, for instance, you are always opening the website by visiting the browser, then you type the website address in the URL address bar. So always you have to write the name of the domain or website. So if you have a favorite website, and if you want to open through a desktop shortcut, so in this video I will teach you how to create a desktop shortcut to a website. So instead of typing, always you can just double click on the icon on the desktop shortcut and the website will open in the browser. So I will show you, you will open first of all your favorite website. Like this is one of my websites, learneasycode.com. So the next step, you can see here on the top right side, minimize, restore down and close. So you will click on restore down and then you can change the window like this, the size of the browser window. And now here you can see beside the URL address bar on the left side, you can see there is a lock that is called padlock. So if we drag and drop this padlock, see, to the desktop, here a desktop shortcut will create for this specific website. So if I close this website, now next time, this is my favorite website. So next time I will not have to write or type the full address, full name of the domain or website in my Google Chrome browser. So instead of typing, I will just open from this desktop shortcut key, desktop shortcut. So see, I will just double click and it will open, see. So how easily we can create a desktop shortcut to a website. So I hope you have learned a lot in this video. Please share the video with your friends so they can also learn new things, they can increase their professional skills. And also please subscribe to my channel so you will get the notification of my all upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.